Hello and welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza journey. And today I'm looking at both of these ovens, the Ooni Koda and the Ooni Karu. They both do gas. The Karu also does wood, charcoal, lump wood. With these two ovens, I just want to go over what I think the differences are in the size of these ovens first of all. Just looking at them together, you can see that the Ooni here is taller in height in the oven than the Koda. Inside, you can see that there's a difference in the height of these two ovens. I think the front opening is just a little bit bigger in the Karu than it is in the Koda. Not much of a difference. I think the Koda looks a bit smaller because the entrance isn't so built up as here. Looking at the length of these two, I'd say they're about the same. Maybe this one here is just a bit longer than the Koda, but not much. The ignition on the gas. They've both got gas ignition and I like that. It's much easier than using matches, so that's great. And inside again, the gas burner on the Karu is a lot further away at the back, giving room, which means I'm going to burn a lot less pizza. In the Koda, it's a bit shorter in length, but the flame has a little guard there and that doesn't impact on the cook of the crust, which is also very good in here. The difference between the two burners is this one you add on and attach at the back. I've got a video on that here. It's the Ooni Gas Burner and it's got two ring burners, and this one is a linear burner at the back. This goes right across. So for gas, the Koda is an excellent gas-fueled pizza oven. It cooks pizza really well. I've made a Koda review video, link is here. But it's an all-round, very lightweight and portable pizza oven. And if you're just looking for a quick setup, easy to use gas oven that's perfect for beginners, then the Koda fits all of those areas. But with this new Karu, this does logs and it does lump wood, and so if you're looking for a starter oven that also cooks with wood and gas, then this is a really good oven to use because the gas burner fits nicely into this oven and it's set right back, so you've got an oven that cooks with gas really well and it also cooks with wood really well. It's lightweight, portable and easy to set up. I get asked, which one is better, the Koda or the Karu, if I was choosing between the two. That would depend on whether you want to cook with a few fuel options or just one. Personally, I like to cook with wood, so if I was having a starter oven and I was going to buy a Ooni, if I was just going for a gas oven, quick setup, then you can't go wrong with a Koda. So it's up to you what you personally want from your oven, what you're going to cook with regularly, because they both do a really good job of cooking pizza. When you've got them out like this together on the table, it's just a lot easier to see what the differences are in the size and shape. If you wanted to convert this one to a wood burner, you just take this and put the chimney on, and there you are, and add the fuel grate and take the back gas burner off, and then you're ready to cook with the wood burner. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's just a quick overview of the two ovens side by side. If you're thinking of getting a quick and easy to use setup pizza oven, can't go wrong with either of these. Depends whether you want dual fueled or just single gas. So I hope you found this helpful. Take care everyone, stay safe, bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.